Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a multiple design variant in Stitch. Okay, so first up, go ahead and create a project from scratch, or you go ahead and open up one of your existing projects. And as you can see here, this is one variant, second variant, third variant right here. So what I did, okay, is just basically added some prompts right here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to add in, or you want this app to look like a sleek dark mode. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add in right here. Can you make it dark mode? Okay, make it futuristic and keep the font to Choco Cookie. All right, and once that's done, just hit on generate, wait for it to load, and then after that, it will create another variant right here at the bottom, as you can see here. Okay. You can copy the codes from here. You can copy the codes from here as well. All the stages will be different. Okay, let's just wait for it, just for you to see. All right, and there you have it. It is now in dark mode with a futuristic look. One design variant here, here, and here as well. That is it. Just basically create a prompt right here, and it will just automatically create you another variant. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.